ZANU-PF's internal power struggles took a fresh turn this week after the party's national and central provincial leadership issued a prohibition order against prominent businessmen and political operative Tafadzwa Musarara, widely viewed as a close ally of VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sanapinda mashikobuda nyuka achinzi aiwa ZANU suspender top Chiwenga ally pamusoro pemafactional tensions. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team Nazim Ion Banrachiti Musarara, who chairs the Gani Millers Association of Zimbabwe GMA, and he is a senior figure within the Affirmative Action Group, is accused of sympathizing with a faction of the ruling party opposed to the so-called 2030 agenda, a slogan increasingly associated with the support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's extended leadership ambitions. A letter dated 31 May 2025, signed by the ZANU-PF National and Central Leadership, stated, pending the outcome of the disciplinary hearing as per the attached notice, you are hereby directed to stop acting for and or on behalf of the ZANU-PF party until the matter is finalized. The prohibition effectively bars Musarara from performing any official party duties until the conclusion of disciplinary proceedings. The notice, while brief, has triggered widespread speculations about growing friction between rival factions ahead of ZANU-PF's anticipated leadership realignments. While Musarara is yet to issue a formal response, insiders say the prohibition order stems not from specific conduct, but rather from Musarara's perceived alignment with Chiwenga's camp and his opposition to the extension of Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028. A senior party source speaking on condition of anonymity said Musarara has been vocal in internal circles against the 2030 project. That alone makes him a target. It's no longer about loyalty to the party, it's about loyalty to the faction. Musarara, a well-known figure in both business and political circles, rose to prominence through his work in the private sector and as a digital mobilizer, leading to influential group of ZANU-PF aligned social media activist known as Rakashi. Domba Shukwaripo Pamsoro Ewa, Pa VP Constantino Chiwenga's ally Ewa, over asaspendewa our executives. Pina comment section medu mzamba funguro emo tukudi pamsoro pechituko ichi. So na subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.